Oos, Impz says, hey, what's up, Contra? So in this video, more cool stuff from Wonder Festival 2023 Winter. And in this video, we take a look at the X-Plus Gamera 1999. And this is from Gamera 3. And this is a 1/700 scale plastic model kit at a price of 5,500 yen. Kind of reasonable, not so expensive. And yeah, it looks very good, I think. And considering the price, it's nice price as well. So yeah, if you like Gamera, this is a good option, I think. It looks great, and then you can build this kit. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Oos. Thanks for watching.